All right, this took me maybe 1,000 tries just to get this guy in here. So boy, because he was too big on the files, too big on everything. So we're gonna start fixing him up because he looks a little broken. But I did fix this part up, which in the last one I didn't have it. So we're gonna divide them into two pieces. All right. So we want to make a box. We'll put the box right here. No, we're gonna put it down here. Box goes in here. So we're gonna do two parts on the dividing. We're gonna divide them, all right, into two different pieces. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to, you know what? Before we do anything, I'm gonna copy this guy and put him over here, so we don't mess around with the original one. All right. Um, always copy your work, especially here in Tinkercad. So here we're gonna go in a little bit close to the edge, and this is gonna be a little tough, but we're gonna go in here. I know it doesn't look safe, but we're gonna grab the box, and what I would do is turn this off. Then I'm gonna rotate, but if you rotate by the system, it's gonna give you a larger angle. So we want there. So we're gonna go a little bit higher now, a little higher. And in order to go higher, you're gonna have to go up a little down. So we're gonna go higher, higher, right there. I think that's it right there. So, but look at the bottom. So we have to stretch it out in the bottom. Stretch the bottom there. So once we did that, we're gonna have to pick them up again because look at when you stretch it out, it doesn't look good. So go back up now. You see the up, up, up. There it is. Up, right there. Now check the bottom. We're good in the bottom. We're good in the top. So we're gonna merge this one. Merge the both of them. So we're gonna copy both of them, and they want to merge them. All right, combine them. That's invisible. It's gonna get rid of the bottom. If we get some of the bottom, there it is. So we're gonna leave this guy here. Move him to the side. But bring this guy, Control C, Control V, bring him over here. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna move this guy over here. Then we're gonna do the same thing where we're gonna bring a box. But this time the box doesn't have to be as big as the last box. But we're going to bring the box and then we're going to straight up, we're going to make it larger. It's okay. We go up and then we're going to bring it back up, straight up, zoom out a little bit and there. And then we need to stretch the box a little bit more. All right. So we're not 100% done here because we're going to check to see if it's hitting the shell, and it is right there. So we need to move it, rotate it just a little bit, just clearance there. So we check our work, and we're gonna go a little tiny bit down because I could see some of the stuff still hangs there. So we're gonna bring it down, and that should do it. That should do it. Yeah, yeah. No. We got some of the shell up, so we got to go one up a little tiny bit. There, there, we got it. So we got that part. Now let's merge them. So shift, hold both of them. Oh, hold this one and shift. And now we're going to merge these and it's going to cut off the head. So we got both of them done. Plus we got our original one. And now we're going to start with the most important thing here. All right. Now we're going to do the actual top of it. And what we want to do is do the bobblehead part of it. And there's two parts of it, right? So on this part, I'll show you how to do one part here. So we want to get this cylinder here, click right over it, hold shift, holding shift. It's going to simulate here. That's too small, so we might have to make it a little bit bigger here. Let me see. That's kind of good. That's pretty good. So move it to the right, right there on the edge, one at the edges. Now we're going to increase the size of this one. And actually, we're going to build it straight down. So I want to build it straight down. So it has to be flat because it's tilting. If you notice, tilting, and I don't like that. So we're going to do this. Not using the degrees that much. Right there. It has to be straight up because right there, 9 degree. That's perfect. Now we're going to move this to the front. We're going to drop this. All right. Drop it down. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it down. And we're done with that part because we're going to see the x-ray. So we're going to see how deep it goes. It doesn't go deep enough. We're going to keep going lower, lower. That's good. That's good. That's good. We need to stabilize this thing. So this thing needs to go higher. And we're going to keep it as is, but we need a flat. We need to make sure it's flat. So, but because it's straight up, that's to hold the actual weight of it. You got to make sure it's holding the weight. So we're going to keep continue up. And I know it doesn't look very neat, but we're going to cut a straight cut right now. So what I'm going to do is do another one right over it. And I'm going to bring that one down. And that one, we're going to put it back up. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because this needs to go straight to hold the weight. So we want to make sure we cut that extra flat head, bring it, and then we're going to do this. We're going to put hide this part, and we're going to see how deep we can go with this part. Actually, no, this will be the opposite way. It'll be here, make this one solid. So we're good. We're going to take it back up a little bit. Oops, Control Z. We want that one to go up. That's good right there. That's good. That's good. That's good. So we're going to marry these two. Marry this one and this one. Combine them together. Okay, we got that. So now, if you notice, it's a flat surface, but we need to put this thing over that thing. So we're going to keep this one as is right now. And then we're going to do one more peg, right? And this is very important, right? So we're going to put another peg over, but we're going to do this one over here. We're going to reduce the size. We're going to change the color on it so we can understand a little bit more. Shift, hold it down, and then move it to the center. Try to center it. We're going to center it right there. And the reason is that this is going to be the part that's going to be the bungee part. So we're going to try to see if we could center it. And you're going to have to eye it out kind of. You could take measurements and do specific, but right now I'm just doing it real quick. So that should be good. Now, that's a little bit too high, maybe, or too low. We'll find out. We're going to test it out anyway. So we're going to do this. We're going to marry these two. All right. We're going to marry these. This actually, let me make a copy of it in case I mess up. Control V. I don't have to worry about this one. I can always reuse that one. So now we're going to go marry these two. These two. They're going to be as one. But I have to, if you want to be more specific on the actual cord that you have, you can do this, make it shorter. That's up to you. So but the smaller you make this part, let me see if I could click on it. Smaller you make this, the more unbalanced it is. And I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this float. So once we marry that, we're gonna go and copy, Control C, Control V. We'll put this one down. You're gonna hold D. You're gonna say D. All right, D on this one. All right, and we're also gonna put it right over the shadow. You see the shadow? Oh, Control Z. The shadow. You see the shadow? Move this right over the shadow. So where you think the head's gonna be, but we're gonna find out right now. We're gonna do this. We're gonna say D, D, and then we're gonna do that. And then we're going to follow up. See the hole where it is at? You can even see it from here. So we're going to click on this one. I think it's right here. Let me see. It's right there. I think it's right there. Let me put solid on this one. Solid this one for now. Oh, I was off. This one's going to go here. So now we got that there. We're going to leave this one here. We're going to marry these two, but we're going to leave that one there. We're going to make copies, right? Copies. Copy this one too. Move it to the right. And we're also going to make this one copy. Move it to the right. So we always want to back up our work. Now, what we want to do is, now that we have this thing, and it's not 100% balanced correctly, but if you see, it's going to go here. And we just want to bring it lower, maybe a little bit lower. So on this one right here in particular, we're going to bring it lower just a little bit, enough for the neck. That's good. That's good. That's good. So we're going to give it some neck space. That means that this thing's going to hit all the way up. All right. And we got the neck space. I would prefer a little bit more neck space. It's okay. But that's it. That's good. Now we're going to solid this one. All right. So we're going to take this back again and redo this. For some reason, it came out good, but we need to make the hole a little bigger. So on this one, we're going to unbreak, ungroup. If you guys see ungroup, I'm putting ungroup. And that's because I have this one here. Make it a lot larger, that's why. Came out good, actually. There. So we're going to go here. We're going to stretch it out. Shift. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it right there. We're going to keep the same hole. And I think that should do it. So marry it again to give you enough clearance. Shift, control, and then we're going to cut it again. So we did about 2 sizes bigger. That's pretty much what we did. Let's see if it comes out. It didn't finish it. Oh, there it is. There it is. So we got a little bit more clearance. And that's fine because the bobblehead's going to be grabbing onto the spring in there. And that's what we want. And we want the extra clearance. So let's go ahead and print this one by itself. Let's download this one. All right. We just printed this one out. We've made a couple changes. And we're going to see if this one works better. Now I'm going to show you guys. Get yourself a paper clip, all right? Paper clip. Get yourself a paper clip, all right? Stretch it out. Gonna make a couple of rings, so up to halfway probably. Here it is. Now we got that in place. And we're gonna make sure you got some wrench. All right, so we got our paper clip here, all right? Straighten it out as much as we can. All right, now I like to do this. Get a piece of metal or something like as long as you can, if you can, and then grab it from here and just start twisting it. So we're gonna twist it as much as we can. And we did cut some of it because it's aluminum, but look at that. So I think we got it, and if not, you got it. Bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it. There you go. It's not glued right now, but when it's glued, it's gonna move around. So what you want to do is make sure that you're on the top of it. So we're gonna make sure that we're on the right above it, right there. So let me see if I can do this real quick. I'm gonna burn it. And enter. We just made a homemade spring in a matter of seconds. And now let's see if it fits. It's almost there. We're gonna have to bring this down a little bit more and squeeze it more down. It's a little difficult, but I made the hole. If you guys can see, I melted it in there. And now here's the, that's it. We haven't glued it, but then if you want to stretch it more a little bit higher. So we're gonna still work on it. Look at that. Now we're able to move a bobblehead. Very simple, but we're still gonna glue it. I think I'm gonna glue it in there, or maybe melt it. Ooh, you know what? That's a good idea. Let me melt it a little bit in there, real quick. Put it in there. Let it cool off for now. Let it stay here, let it cool off. See if it works out. We're gonna come back. All right, I'm printing right now in the background, so, but look at this. It worked now. We got it working, but that was just a temporary setup, all right? We are gonna go order some springs, but now I have it working where I know exactly what to do now. So there's plenty of clearance underneath of him, if you guys can see that. So we're able to make them bobble now. And by ordering the springs, I'm gonna print a larger one. So later down the line, you'll see part 2 when I finish it. But right now, I added a bigger base on the original one. I expanded because the head is a lot more heavier, especially this part right here. But now, if you guys see me, it's crazy. Look at that. So by melting it, it actually works. So I might do that for the next one. And right now I'm keeping an eye on our print because we are printing the larger base one, and with more details. This is just a temporary, but look at this. Let me know. I'm gonna put this one down for those that are members for the bobblehead setup, all right? But you are gonna have to provide your own springs, all right? Like, this is a larger one I did, but I was trying different things, and of course it didn't work. But we end up doing the smaller one, and it worked perfectly. But this is just that's why I like to do tests. I don't have the springs here. That's why we do tests. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.